Hello! In this video we'll show you how to connect your RS165 to your TV. The pack contains the transmitter, the headphones, the power supply, an audio cable, and two AAA batteries. First, please be sure to charge the batteries. The rechargeable batteries are only at about 25% when you unpack them, so for a first test of your wireless system it may be sufficient. For the very first charge, however, it is important to charge them for 16 hours in order to calibrate both the technology and the batteries. All further full charges will only take about 8 hours each. Here's how to insert them. You gently twist the ear pads to remove them, and it's one battery on each side. Plug in the power and the audio cable. Now let's connect to the TV. Depending on brand and model, your television's connectivity panel could look like this, or this, or this. Pretty much always different, so let's take a closer look. In the best case, you'll find a headphone output like this. Connect your RS165 here. Turn on the TV. Turn the TV's volume up to at least medium level and you're good to go. Now, if your TV is turned on and the volume is up to at least medium level, but you can't hear anything on your wireless headphones, please look into your settings menu to see if you can find an independent volume control for the headphone output in there. With the RS165, you have up to 30 meters or 100 feet of range, depending on your environment. Should you leave the room where the transmitter is and you have, for example, a brick wall in between you and the transmitter, you may experience interference with your reception. Just be aware of this. At this point, we'd like to mention that when you use your TV's headphone output, it will most likely result in your TV's speakers turning off. So, if you're watching TV with other people, they won't have sound. Now, here's a solution for that. If your TV has an RCA output, you can use it with an adapter. This is what they look like. It's an RCA to audio jack adapter, and they don't cost much. On the back of your TV, look for red and white connections. But bear in mind, some might not work for you. In this picture, you can see it says component in, or here it says audio in. And sometimes there is a little symbol, a circle with an arrow going into it. You cannot use these for your wireless system. What your TV needs to have is a port that says audio or audio output, usually indicated with a circle with an arrow pointing out of it. That's the one. Connect the adapter to the TV and the audio cable onto the adapter. Done. Connect your RS165 like this, and your TV's loudspeakers will remain working. Let's assume you've made all the necessary connections and settings. You can now turn the system on. Press the power button on the headphones for about 2 seconds. This turns on both the headphones and the transmitter. You can now try out the base settings. Thank you for watching.